Hi, we're Oru. We invented origami kayaks to transform the way you connect to the outdoors. Now we're launching Oru Camp, origami essentials for every adventure. Because what's better than spending time in nature? Doing it with the people that you care about. We've got 3 new pieces for you to unfold. They share all these awesome features. Built-in storage allows you to bring all the comforts of home, whether you're in the backcountry or the backyard. Rigid, sturdy materials make them rock solid, super durable, and easy to clean. But they're still super light, portable, and take just seconds to unfold. They have clean, stylish, modern lines. And if you want some fun after dark, they can even do this. First, the Flip Cube. This might be the most versatile piece of outdoor gear ever. Use it as a tote, or a stool, or a footrest, or an end table. Next, the Pop Lounge. A super sturdy and comfortable lounge chair with extra benefits. The rigid structure makes it ergonomic and comfortable, so you can settle in for the whole game. Finally, the Switch Table. A table that does almost everything. It has 2 separate storage compartments. Use one for ice and drinks, and one for dry goods and snacks. It unfolds from low to high, so you can pick what works for you. Over the last 10 years and 5 crowdfunding campaigns, we have learned a lot about designing and manufacturing products that are sturdy, easy to use, and beautiful. Our products are made from lightweight yet super durable corrugated plastic. Now, we're evolving out of the water and into a whole new future of origami magic. We're so excited about this new chapter that we're reintroducing ourselves. Hi, we're Oru Outdoors. It all comes back to our mission. We're changing how you connect to the outdoors and to each other. Whether you're on an epic adventure or just taking in the view together.